this is Pipe Cleaner Princess. I am going to be making pipe cleaner Mickey ears of a ride. So this is super exciting. And today we will be making Splash Mountain pipe cleaner Mickey ears. And so for the pipe cleaners, you are going to be needing 2 blue pipe cleaners, 2 brown pipe cleaners, 2 dark green pipe cleaners, and 2 light green pipe cleaners, and scissors. So to begin, you are going to be taking for the whole base, these 2 blue are going to be the base circle, 1 brown for the arch. Take a green and a light green and the others. So with this, you can make this. Now you may be like, whoa. You didn't explain it. Yeah, so I'm just making my videos quicker. And so just if you don't know how to do this and you're new to my channel, just go to another video and see how I make the basic, pipe cleaner Mickey ear. And you just swap out the colors for these colors. So the blue for the base, brown arch, and then for the ears, you're just gonna slightly twist them so that it's kind of like a, leafy. So now, you could pause the video, definitely, so that you can catch up. So, yeah. Okay. Hopefully you've caught up, or if you're just watching the video and don't have any pipe cleaners. Here are some fun facts about Splash Mountain. There are 950,000 gallons of water in this attraction. And the drop is more than 50 feet. Anyway, back to the video. Yeah, so with this pipe cleaner, you're going to make Splash Mountain. So you can just look up a picture of Splash Mountain to kind of get the idea of what it looks like. So yeah, you're just going to form it out of this brown pipe cleaner. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and yeah, you can do that. Okay, so I made my mountain, I guess. You can make it skinnier maybe. I don't know, just definitely make the edges a little rough because mountains aren't straight. So you can crumple up your pipe cleaner and then just straighten it out and try to form something out of that. I don't know, I've never done that. But yeah, you can try that. And just make a mountain. Okay, and then so once you've got your mountain, you're going to put it where you want it, in the middle, or you could put it on the side, that would be cool. But I'm going to do the middle. And then you're going to cut off a little because you don't need that much to twist it on. And just twist it onto the arch by wrapping it around. You're going to take the other side. You're just going to wrap it once or twice. And you're going to cut it. Not cut the ear, cut the brown pipe cleaner. Okay, and then make sure it's secure, and then you can fix your mountain however you'd like. So yeah, I'm gonna move that little fuzz aside. Boop. Okay. Yeah, and so that's it. Yeah, very quick video. And if you want to add something else, you can add any of the characters on Splash Mountain, or I thought about adding little tracks or something, or a log. You can just definitely get creative with this one. And yeah. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye everyone!